to pretend that everything's alright. I want to believe good people always win their fights. I wish we weren't so poor, spending things that we just can't afford yet. But we will one day. It's what we're supposed to think, or so they say. But if all the good parts go by too fast, they keep proving problems come from the past. I'll believe it when I see it, if you mean it or not. But we never not just a bone shot, cause all your money doesn't matter when you leave this place. Living so stressed, just a waste. A heart that's whole should be your goal. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. I want to ignore the future and the past, and I want to save the best part of life for last. I wish we weren't so jaded, having everything is overrated. We got what we need, and that's fine. All we need is a little more time. But if all the good parts go by too fast, and you keep improving problems from the past, I'll believe it when I see it, if you mean it or not. But never like this boom shot, cause all your money doesn't matter when you leave this place. Living so stressed, just a waste. A heart that's whole should be your goal. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. All your money doesn't matter when you leave this place. Living so stressed, just a waste. A heart that's whole should be your goal. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. So you say you want a happy ending, pay attention to the vibes you're sending. Believe you got a life worth living. Every ending is a new beginning. But if all the good parts go by too fast, you keep improving problems come from the past. I'll believe you when I see it, if you mean it or not. But never life is a one shot, cause all your money doesn't matter when you leave this place. Living so stressed, just a waste. A heart that's whole should be your goal. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. All your money doesn't matter when you leave this place. Living so stressed, just a waste. A heart that's whole should be your goal. Nothing else is gonna feed your soul. Thank you very, very much, guys. I appreciate you guys very much for hanging out. My name's Esposito. I'm gonna be here Sunday. You guys are still around, looking for something to do. 4 to 7. Thank you so much. Oh, and if you really want to like me in the future, go to my website.